So what's the verdict? Well, in my opinion, if you're looking to buy a Samsung Fold, as much as I like the Fold 6 and its new design, for most people, I highly recommend you save money by buying a 14-gram heavier Fold 6, aka Fold 5, with all the Galaxy AI features, similar battery life, same camera hardware. Like, this is the best thing about the Fold 6 is that Fold 5 is now more affordable to buy. I think they really missed a huge opportunity, especially with the cameras. But if you're someone who doesn't have any money problem, you don't care about cameras too much, and you're tired of your Fold 4 or Fold 3's big weight, you're big on productivity features, then yes, you can avail some discounts in the description and probably consider Fold 6, because from Fold 3 or Fold 4, it's going to be a massive upgrade, just the design alone. Again, for most people, like I said before, I recommend Fold 5 because it is a little bit heavier, but it's got pretty much the same kind of package as the Fold 6. It's just for those who can afford it and they don't mind having the best cameras, you can have a look at the Fold 6. So that's it for this video. Let me know your thoughts about the Fold 6 in the comment section below. What do you think? What's your favorite feature? And do you think is it worth upgrading or not? Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.